Tangled? Stuck? Enough! Roborock Prevo Curve. An expert in clean-in-one run. Mission started. No worries, we have dual anti-tangle system. First, the FlexiArm Arc side brush uses centrifugal force to encourage hair into the inlet without getting tangled. Then, 2 parallel bristle rollers direct hair towards the central dustbin inlet. Last, the powerful suction swiftly removes it away. Round 1, success. Take it easy. We are equipped with Adaptalift chassis. It can lift the entire chassis or isolate the front, left, or right section. Round 2, success. Round 3, success. Mission completed. A smart dog is like a really smart butler. You don't have to lift a finger. Roborock 8-in-1 Dock, your very own butler at home. Cleaner, 8 water outlets spray on the mop with hot water, dissolving stubborn grease and dirt. A high-speed motor enables the brush to rub dirt out of the mop, while pressurized scraping blades scrub excess dirty water. Not just mops, it cleans the dock too. The dual direction rubber scraper keeps the bottom surface spotless, and hot air drying keeps everything fresh. Smarter, intelligent sensors detect heavy dirt, automatically triggering rewash and remop cycle for a deep clean. But that's not all. There is also auto detergent dispenser, auto dust emptying, auto tank refilling, providing high-quality hands-free maintenance. Faster. Now, charging is 30% faster than before with off-peak charging setup. Experience ultimate ease with the all-in-one RockDock Ultra.
Hello, Rocky. Clean here.
Her gaze would be my demise. Could it be?
Hello, Rocky.
Am I
Clean here.
just afraid of something more? I can see the starlight in her eyes. I've known her for so long, but never quite like this. Just like a drifter song, it changed with just one kiss. Could it be? Is it real? Can I trust how I feel? I can see the starlight in her eyes. I was sure that I could make it all.
Hello, Rocky. Don't clean here.
Only she would come along, break this heart of stone. Could it be? Am I sure? Just a friend or something more? I can see the starlight in her eyes.
Mickey? Geldi. Late Mickey.
I can see the starlight. I can see the starlight in your eyes.
OMW, on my way to you. Without what I do, I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Walk away. On display, 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way. Tiptoes, afterglow. I know you wanna take me on my way. OMW, on my way to you. Without what I do, OMW. OMW, on my way to you. On my way. I'll testify. I'm verified. That I amplify. I'm on my way. Best thing that you've ever seen. Know that you're out to the queen. Lose all your senses and reason. I'll give you something to believe in. OMW, on my way to you. Without what I do, OMW.
This sucks. We never get used anymore. Hey, Mini Brush, what do you see?
He's got this.
Shake it up, stop when the clock hits 13. You've been working, but you're flirting with the weekend. You can freak out. 1 in a million. You're a gem shine when the light grows dim. Sing 3, 2, 1. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
Guys, this might be the end of Robo-Rock.
Wanna be like us? You better stick around. If you want it, you gotta prove it. Like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it. 'Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
Stop it, you two. Knock it off. Right now.
Okay.